Breaking news coming to you live from LSBU with the latest top stories. I'm Kimberly.
And I'm Rihanna.
Willie.
Stefania.
Caroline.
Sarah.
Peter. Tom Lloyd.
Samir. Christian Baldacci.
Dita Summerfield.
Craig Constant Idli Diddley-Idis.
And Ramona Sando.
Ed Sheeran lookalike mistakenly mobbed by fans at East Croydon Station, resulting in 3 casualties.
Croydon's marketplace, an organised front for selling fresh produce and jerk chicken.
Hooligan skater in the centre Croydon stops mugging with botch kickflip attempt.
Serial mannequin thief on the loose in central Croydon.
YouTuber charged with trespass over alleged oval pitch invasion. Daniel Jarvis, 33, will appear at Croydon Magistrates Court Tuesday, October 12th.
The first dog to ever work in a bank has been fired for approving too many mortgages. Croydon residents are dubbing him a local hero.
That's today's top stories. I've been Kimberly.
And I've been Rihanna.
Have a good day.
Bye.